Hey guys, welcome to the basement of the crazy house today. Yeah, there's Rose right now. Okay, yep, this is where you come up. You see the back door in the basement. I come upstairs, there's my tacos there. Bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, and bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 1 is mine, bedroom number 2 is Dad's, and stepmom's, and then bedroom number 3 is Sierra's. And then when you come outside, I'm making a video of, you kind of have to get the back door open first. Alright, today we are going to be doing a video of the garage doors. First, I have to put all over the freaking license plates in the house. Yeah, you see a pink light, that's Wi-Fi light in our garage door opener. I'm gonna set you guys down here. And then I have to put something over our license plate because for some reason I got demonetized for showing license plates. Yeah, I got demonetized for that, so I'm sure I'm not gonna use that garage door. We're just gonna do LiftMaster today. For right now, anyway. Today, we're only doing the A garage door. Today, yeah, we are not showing license plates of any vehicles. I always say ignore them. Yeah. I'll show you the lights here. I'm not pressing any button, I'm just pressing my garage door opener. See? No reaching over there for the button. So you can kill that. D was gonna do our LiftMaster today. Yeah, we do lock our garage here. Yep. Beeper. Show you that quick before doing that. Yeah, here's our old setup here. I did this when we stole the S10. S10's gone now. Freaking the stupid fuel pump. The pump of fuel went out. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's pretty simple now. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the end of the driveway, garage door closing. Yeah, I cannot show the rest of the home. Yes. Doing the end of the driveway garage door test. Now there's a random truck. I can guess where I live. Yeah, I didn't show the address here. Yeah, there's a garage door going down here. Yeah, these doors do have Wi-Fi lights on them. Yes, our garage doors do have Wi-Fi lights on them and stuff like that. We are not using Whisper Drive, we're only doing the LiftMaster. We're only doing the LiftMaster tonight. Tomorrow we're doing a sleepover. Yeah, it's nighttime over here right now. Yeah. It's nighttime. That's what. Nighttime tonight more. I'll show you the back garage, I guess, today. Oh, we have a license plate. I'm stupid lawnmower. Sorry. We have a license plate on the lawnmower. The lawnmower, that's illegal. Have a license plate on the lawnmower. Now we're gonna do the FAR test way over here to show you. Yeah, don't worry about the license plate. Yeah, just so you can hear the garage door go up and down. When I end the video, it'll be when the lights turn off and stuff like that. Yeah, there's the bicycle. Yeah, there's our. Yes, we are only doing. Yeah, you've probably seen the Z28. I can guess where he lives because he's here. Truck almost every day with Instacart. Yeah, we'll do a close-up or something. We'll do this tomorrow. We're gonna finish this up tomorrow. Before sleeping over. It's just too dark. I don't want to show much. I don't want to annoy our neighbors running our garage door too much. Yeah, I don't want to annoy him because we are doing a, and this is a chain drive garage door opener. Chain drive, you probably can't see, but in our whisper drive's over here above the barrel. Yeah, we are being loud. Try not to be loud with garage door. I mean, I can show you safety sensor testing, but I don't want to do that tonight. That's too loud. Plus, a garage door jumps every time if I do that, so and that's more louder than just playing with the garage door opener. So, yes, yes, you're probably guessing what kind of garage door do I have? Kind of a garage door opener I have. I don't know the model number of it. It's just a keychain garage door opener from Amazon. It's 4-button garage door opener. It goes A, B, C, and D for garage door opening and closing. My LiftMaster is A, and then the Whisper Drive is B. That's how I know what garage door I'm operating. Yeah, this is our service door. I cannot show codes. Yes, I can show you keypad operation of one of our garage doors. See this? This is a keypad right here. Yeah, I don't want to annoy our neighbors. It looks like they're awake yet, so. Yeah, I can show you this operation. This does get dead notifications every time I operate it. It says keys is all open and whatever. You just hit enter and it'll close. You just press enter. You don't even have to hold it. You just press it for that garage. We don't have a keypad on this one. We used to at one point back in when I had an old bedroom number 2 and number 3. And now we don't have a freaking keypad here because of we don't have one. As it died, and then we had to take it down because this garage door opener was supposed to have one. I'll buy one. I'll buy one for here because I'll buy one for this side as well because just in case the service door gets locked again with the doorknob or back garage, because you probably can't see it way back over there, which is locked right now. My phone's at like 20 and might have to end the video early. We'll see. I'm gonna kill this. I just hit this button here. See? And then we'll do an outside close-up view of the garage door. Yeah, there's always McJuggerNugget, whoever that is. You probably are gonna get a notification when I upload. Subscribers of my channel probably don't know that we have a separated garage, which can annoy our neighbors because the garage door is pretty loud. I mean, I can show you operation of the service door quickly too before I do this because I don't want to get locked out just in case the beeping lock fails. Because my keys in the house for the locks out here. Okay, I've got 3. Okay, I gotta be 19. Alright, don't worry. See, it opens and closes. Yeah, you know I don't like every freaking year. This door seems to like to fail. Opening and closing, yeah, we have to make sure. You know, freaking slam it every time in the winter time. In the summer, it's just too tight. Well, not really now, but I mean, I worked around it. There's our Whisper Drive for people that don't know. Our house as well. Alright, time to shut down the garage. Well, we're gonna do a center view where you can see the door and the garage door in operation here. Well, this is just gonna be the closing now because the video is about to end, so I don't want to be out here for too long. You probably remember the video of our Whisper Drive acting up over here. Yeah, you probably remember the Whisper Drive acting out before. Yeah, I gotta make sure I close the keypad before I end the video because well, It's our house here. Yep, I am an owner of a key fob. Yep. That time I did show the garage door opener. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. If I did a safety sensor, would have jumped. I let the light turn off and stuff. Yeah, you've probably heard the ceiling. Yeah. That's what I mean by the other. And whatever. I mean, it's quieter as it goes down, but I'm not gonna mess with it much tonight. That'll be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Oh yes, we do have HomeLink in our truck. People that don't know, yes, we have HomeLink in our vehicles. We do have HomeLink to our garage here. Yes, it is the end one. Yes. Which I'm gonna close it back down in like a minute here. And just showing you guys that we have HomeLink in our truck. I'm sure that works too. I'm out here. Yep, this is the last operation of garage door. Last operation. I am getting some new shoes tomorrow too. That'll be it for this video.